Hello. Hello everyone. Today is December 8th, the fest of Immaculate Conception. That's why holiday today. Holiday today, guys. No work. Pero traffic pa rin, guys, kahit no work. Enjoy yung mga tao, going to groceries, bonding with families, eating in the restaurants, going to mall, saka pasyal, buying Christmas gifts. Busy buying Christmas gifts. Welcome to SNR Show Boulevard. Punta naman tayo, guys, sa Goldilocks. Goldilocks naman tayo pupunta. Bibili tayo ng bangus, yung sabaw ng bangus. Busy pa rin ang Show Boulevard. Alright, guys, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Bye.